Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Create a new database called Weekly Schedule and set a date property for each entry with the event start time. Add properties: duration in minutes, category as select, priority as number, and notes as text. Use a template button to add a prefilled entry with 60 minutes, category work, and priority 3. Configure the view to show a 7-day calendar with 1-hour increments for clear time blocks. Save a table view for quick edits, and a board view grouped by category for visual planning. Add a template button that creates morning and afternoon blocks with 90 and 120-minute durations and prefilled notes. In each template, set the date property as a placeholder, so you pick an exact day and start time when using it. Use linked databases to show only items with date within the current week using filter. Date is within the next 7 days for focused planning. Color code category selections, and use priority numbers 1-5 to sort urgent tasks, and drag high priority to the top. Review your weekly view every Sunday and move unfinished items to the following week or mark as recurring using a checkbox property. Archive completed entries weekly by filtering date before today and moving them to an archive page to keep the main database under 200 entries. Sync with Google Calendar by copying the calendar URL and adding it to Notion's calendar embed so events appear both places. Set a 10-minute planning routine. Check priorities and adjust durations to maintain a sustainable weekly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.